Yeah. Hello, everyone. So, if you want to do prop firm trading, the first step you have to do is you have to complete the sign up process. So, you will go to the Apex website by using the link which I shared. And then, if you want to open Rhythmic accounts, you have to go and click on the Rhythmic. Yeah, and then you have to generally we suggest 50K is the best one because you have a better risk reward ratio there. The Rhythmic, the advantage is you can use multiple indicators, multiple strategies which are available on the NinjaTrader if you use Rhythmic accounts. The second advantage is you can also install a software called as Replicanto, with which you can copy trades from one account to other accounts of the prop firm, or even you can connect to different companies, and for the same trade, you can copy your master trade into all the other accounts at the same time. That is the major advantage with Rhythmic. But the disadvantage with Rhythmic is you cannot connect your Rhythmic account directly to TradingView interface. So, for example, if you want to use TradingView, you have to use another brokerage system called as TRADOVATE, which is more like a advanced version of NinjaTrader, where they have a MacBook compatibility. They also can you can use your mobile app and take the trades. So that's why Apex is providing both the interfaces for the trading. You can either use Rhythmic or you can use TradeOvate, or you can take some each of right few accounts of Rhythmic, few accounts of TradeOvate, and using Replicanto you can combine all of them and you can copy trades from one system to other. So if you want to open an account in TradeOvate, again you will go to TradeOvate the link. You will click on the again, which you can sign up for 250K or 100K. But what we suggest is starting with a 50K is a better one to start. And then you will fill the information. In the coupon code section, you will enter save90, which will give you 90% off on the evaluation account monthly charges. Because you are paying this evaluation fee, that company will give you real-time data access. They will give you the NinjaTrader license. All those things generally cost us nearly $50 to $60, but by paying that $16 to $17, we are getting all those things for free. That is the reason they are charging that evaluation. And once we complete this sign up process, which takes less than 1 to 2 minutes, you will receive an email from Apex. They will send you an email stating that your Rhythmic account is ready or your TradeOvate account is ready with all the information, with all the credentials. So, right, let us watch a sample email. Right, once you complete the sign up, you will receive an email like this. Right, for example, this is an email. Once you sign up uh, for a TradeOvate account, you will receive an email like this with all the details. In the same way, for Rhythmic also, you will receive an email. So you will have different credentials, different username, different password for both Rhythmic and TradeOvate, and whichever, right. For example, if let us say you signed up for a Rhythmic account, let us see what will be your end-to-end flow. What is that? What are the different steps you need to do so that you can start trading? So the first thing you have to do is you have to click on the link which says as setup Rhythmic and NinjaTrader 8. So to take trades on the NinjaTrader, there are two softwares you need to install. The first one is called as Rithmic Pro, which basically right shows all your Rhythmic accounts. It shows like what is the current balance, what is the trail stop loss, and also it provides the data to the NinjaTrader. So that is the first software which we will install. You have to click on that link, downloads.rhythmic.com. Once you click on that link, then basically it will download a software on your system. And then you have to open and yeah, just click on next. I agree. Next. So just like any other software, we'll just install this particular software. Once you click on all those steps, your Rhythmic software will be installed on your system. So yeah, Monte, can you go and yeah, enter Rhythmic, RITH. Yeah. So now, yeah, this is the home page for your Rhythmic Pro software. So once you see this, what you have to do is you have to click on the skip settings. Right at the top, you have skip settings. Right below the try web app, remember me, you have skip settings. Little yeah, right. Then leave selective mode turned off. Yeah, that is already turned off. Then you copy paste your Rhythmic ID and password. Rhythmic, yeah. You have the Rhythmic account, right? At the top, yeah. You can also copy the password. Right, and then you have to choose the system as Apex. Right. And then user ID, password, again, you can copy the same ones one more time. No, at the top you have, right? You just copy that Apex. Right. Yeah. No, that keep that market data is off. Now you can click on login. Right. First time when you try to log into this RPRO, it will ask you to sign the agreements. Right. So yeah, you can click on that subscription agreement. Basically, those agreements want to make sure that you are not a professional trader, you are not a hedge fund or something, you are just a non-professional trader. So you can click on those links and complete yeah, select non-professional, click on submit. Yeah, and then you can click on close. Can you scroll down this page, Monty, a little bit? Right. So you completed all those steps. Yeah, can you scroll down a little more? So yeah, right. So you basically completed the first software steps, right? Rhythmic Pro is set up now. So now what you need to do is you have to go to that, enter your email and choose sign up at that account. Yeah, click on that register. Yeah, right. Our first software is done. Now we are installing the NinjaTrader software. So Rhythmic Pro is basically think like it is a interface which provides the data to NinjaTrader. So that installation is completed. Now we are installing the second software which is called as NinjaTrader. Yeah, you can
And
enter the same Yahoo email. Yeah. Let's see here, make sure you are not using a Apex username or something. This should be your personal username and personal password, which you created in the last step. Yeah, which is right. What you did is right. Yeah, create user. Right, and you are not doing live trading because you are not trading on with your personal amount or something. So what you are doing is it is more like a simulation account where Apex is asking you to complete a challenge on a paper account. So you have to click on the bottom link, which is called as not ready for live trading, start a risk-free trial of simulated. In here, you can put your information, even though it says 14-day free trial with live market. It is right because you are paying to Apex. Apex will provide you the live data as long as you continue your Apex subscription. So you don't need to pay anything. to NinjaTrader for the live data as long as you're trading on the prop firms. If you want to trade on your personal accounts, then you need to buy the data package from NinjaTrader. Otherwise, you don't need to buy anything. Yeah, just you can click on continue. So even after 1 2 weeks, you may get a email saying like your live data will be completed. At that time, you don't need to worry. You can just ignore that email. Yeah. Now you will click on the web. Right. So basically, Monty created the sign up process on the NinjaTrader, and we need to open this simulation account, access simulation. Yeah, you can basically say next or skip this tutorial. Yeah. No. Okay. Can you go back to that NinjaTrader again? The other tab. Yeah. Now go to the on the right corner. You have settings, right? Profile. Yeah. Click on that. Go to settings. Go to plans. At the top, you have the tabs, accounts tab, plans. Yeah. Now you have you to import your license key. Click on that import a license key. So Apex is sending you a free license for NinjaTrader platform. Otherwise, you have to pay for the trading environment. But because you signed up for Apex for a Rithmic account, in the email they will send you this license key, which you have to copy it here. So can you go back to that email, or you can go to that ATF here? Here, can you scroll down? Uh,
We are on
yeah,
the Rithmic account, right?
right. Yeah, you see that NinjaTrader license key, right? Yeah, just copy that. Then go to NinjaTrader. Yeah, just copy paste it. Then import. So now you basically imported the license key. That means you have a valid version of NinjaTrader. But as of now, you are on a web application. Now you need to download a client application where you can use all indicators and all the strategies, Excel. So now you have to click on the download. So yeah, because you imported the license key, you can download the most recent release. You can click on that download button there. Yeah, most recent release download. Now you have the exe file for the NinjaTrader software. Yeah, same just like the previous one, right? Yeah, just you will click on next. I accept. Next. Install. You can search for Ninja, right? And you have to give the same credentials which you used earlier for the sign up, right? Your Yahoo email or something, right? That. So now you downloaded the client version, and now Monty is logging to the client version. So again, you will click on simulation because you are not using your real money. Yeah, now you have to create the connections to connect to those Apex accounts. So you can close all the windows, close that market analyzer. You can have one of these windows. You can close the second window, the bottom one, yeah, and also that super DOM also you don't need it. So now you have to configure the connections. So go to connections. You have to, yeah, one thing you need to do is if you want to connect to more than one platform or more than one, right? First you will start with Apex, then you may go to different brokerages or different prop firms. So we should be able to connect to multiple interfaces or multiple brokerage systems, right? You may want to connect to Rithmic, you may want to connect to TRADOVATE of Apex and also of different companies. The first step you need to do is go to tools, options. The last one is options. And then you have something called as multi-provider. On the right side, you have multi-provider checkbox, little bit down, little bit down. Yeah, that one. So you have to click on that and say apply. That means, right, by selecting that multi-provider, you can work with multiple brokerage platforms. Say okay. Now go to connections. Now you can click on configure. So you can create, now you can connect to multiple providers. Right now, first thing is you want to connect to your Rithmic account. So you will go all the way down. You have Rithmic for NinjaTrader brokerage. Double click on that. Once you double click on it, it will come down. From the top is like available. Bottom is like whatever you want to configure. So now you brought it down. So in the credentials, you can rename the connection name as Apex Rhythmic or something. Because right in future you may have 10 different companies. For you to easily identify, if you can put them like Apex Rhythmic, and then you can copy paste the same credentials which Apex might have sent you. Right, when you signed up for the Apex Rhythmic account, they will send you a username, password, license. So we have to basically copy paste that information, whatever is right. Make sure you are only copying the. Just a minute. Right, check that connect on startup so that every time whenever you start this NinjaTrader, that they will automatically start the first checkbox. And then in the system you have to select Apex. In the settings you will have Apex at the top. Yeah, right. Yeah, that's it. Apply. Yeah, say okay. Right now you created a connection to the Rhythmic interface. Now you can also create a connection to the TRADOVATE for the Apex so that you can trade on multiple accounts at the same time. So now you have to go to NinjaTrader, right? Select the NinjaTrader. Either you can double click or you can click on the ad. So yeah, go to that My NinjaTrader and again rename this as, you can rename this as Apex TradeOvate. Right now you can put your username, which right whenever you signed up for the TradeOvate, they might have given you a username and password. Apex might have will send you in the email, or they will be in on your dashboard, Apex dashboard page. So you will select simulation, click on apply.
So this is our dashboard, and we have all the accounts listed here.
Right.
Okay.
So if you click on apply,
Nothing else needs to be changed, right?
right.
Okay.
Save. So now you establish the connection. That means you enter the credentials. Now you have to connect to those connections. So if you click on that Apex TradeOvate or Apex Rhythmic, right? Initially, right, if you see a green light at the corner, at the bottom corner, that means connection is successfully established. If you see some yellow or red there, that means there is some problem with the connection establishment. So whenever that connection gets established, you can go to accounts tab at the bottom. Right, you can see that Monte's the TradeOvate account can be seen here. Right, that is showing that the initial balance is 50,000 and it is ready to be traded now. In the same way, he can also enable the Rhythmic account. So again, he can go to connections and click on Apex Rhythmic, and then all those Rhythmic accounts will appear here. Yeah, just give it a minute. It is trying to connect. Right now you can see Apex TRADOVATE account is appearing in the same way Apex Rhythmic. Generally, you can differentiate, right? For Rhythmic accounts, it will be Apex hyphen and then the account number. Whereas for the TRADOVATE, it will be directly Apex without any hyphen. You will see the account. So like this, not only Apex, if you want to connect to another 10, 15 companies also, you can create a connection for each company, provide the credentials, whatever that company might have given you, and then you can list all those accounts at one place, right? In this way, basically what we did, first thing is we installed, right? First thing is you create the account, right? You sign up to those Apex Rhythmic or Apex TRADOVATE accounts or combination, right? In this example, Monty created one Rhythmic account and one TRADOVATE account. The second step, what we did is we installed the Rhythmic Pro software. Can you go to the Rhythmic Pro software, Monty?
Sure.
So that software, and you can click on the dashboard. You'll see the trader dashboard. Yeah, come a little bit down.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will show like what is the account balance, what is the trial stop loss, all those values here for the Rhythmic accounts. So that is the major advantage of this particular software, where you can watch like what is happening with your accounts, how much profit you made. Whenever you see that it completed 53,000 in the account balance, that means you completed your evaluation for that 50K challenge. So this is the first step we did, install the Rhythmic Pro software. Second step, we went to the NinjaTrader website. We created the sign up process. We imported the license key and then downloaded the software, NinjaTrader software, installed the software, and then you will check the multi-provider, and then you created connections. If you have only Apex, you will create a connection for Apex Rhythmic and Apex TRADOVATE if you took both the accounts. If you have taken only Apex Rhythmic, you will only create a connection for Apex Rhythmic. So as I said, the advantage is if you have Apex Rhythmic, you can use right. We created different indicators, different strategies within the NinjaTrader software. You can use those softwares to do your trading. Apex TradeOvate, we created multiple indicators, multiple strategies on TradingView. Yeah, if you are using TradeOvate, you can connect to TradingView and you can use all those different indicators and softwares. So now let us quickly go and see, right, for how to connect your TradeOvate account to TradingView. We'll quickly have a glance at that. That is a much more easy process. You have to go to TradingView, or right once you create your TradeOvate account, the first step is you will go to the trader.tradovate.com, and you will provide the credentials which Apex gave you when you will log in. Yeah, you can just say continue. Yeah, you'll select the launch. First time when you log in, again, just like Rhythmic Pro, it will ask to sign the non-professional agreements, which you have to do. Once you complete that signing those agreements, you have to go to the top right corner. You have a settings on the top right corner. You have to click there, and then you have to go to add-ons, add-on tab, and then you have something called as TradingView activation, right? You have to click on that button. Once you click on that button, then you will be able to connect this TradeOvate accounts to your TradingView. So in that way, you can easily, right? Trading from TradeOvate is not that easy, but you can connect this TradeOvate account to the TradingView. So you can use all different indicators or strategies available in TradingView. And then whenever you take a trade in TradingView, those all those trades will come into this TradeOvate account. That is the advantage. So that's why we enable this TradingView API. So your TradeOvate and your TradingView are connected. Now you can go back to TradingView. Do you have a TradingView software installed?
Not on this machine, but I can download it.
Yeah, okay.
Uh, mm,
Yeah, you can just right. Yeah, you can also just go to other tab and say download TradingView.
oh, there you go. Okay.
Yeah. That you can also trade from the TradingView browser, but when you have a client version, that will be much more easy. You can open any number of tabs. You can have more watch lists, and it will be more easy to trade using the indicators and strategies. So once you log into this client application, you can always use system or dark interface so that your indicators will be clearly visible. And then yeah, you can say next, next. And then you can go to at the bottom, you will see trading panel. You can click on the trading panel and you can select the TRADOVATE icon. And you have to make sure you are on the demo, not on the live. And then just you can provide the same TRADOVATE credentials, whichever Apex might have provided you, or whoever is the provider, right? You may sign up with Apex, you may sign up with Bullnox, whoever is the provider. You have to put the right. You have to be on the demo mode. You have to put their credentials. Click on connect, and then basically your account is connected here. So now you can click on the trade button, and whenever you take a buy order, sell order, you will be able to take all those trades. All right. As of now, he's on Starbucks, but if he selects it, because your trade weight is mainly for futures, right? You cannot trade stocks on trade weight account. But if you, yeah, you can select some GC or ES silver, right? One is you can go to this order tab and you can put your right what you want to buy, or you can also go to the DOM and you can place your orders. Right on the left side, if you put it, that means you are buying it. On the right side, if you are clicking, that means you are selling an order. Right, that's it. It all takes 10 to 15 minutes to do all the setup, what you need for trading. And then you will look at the indicators. So we have different videos to explain how to use our indicators and when to do the buy, when to do the sell. But this session is mainly about, right, all right. Mainly we need three different softwares. One of them is Rithmic Pro, second one is NinjaTrader, third one is TradingView. We connected all the three. So when you take any trades here and using another software called as Replicanto, you can connect all these softwares together. Right. So when you trade in one account, your account can get copied or your trade can get copied into, if Monty is having two accounts, it can go and the same trade can get copied into two. If he got 20 accounts, the same trade can go into 20 accounts. If he has 20 from Apex and another 20 from U Profit or Bullnox or some other prop firm, then the same trade can go into 40, 50 accounts. So once you gain the confidence, once you even make $100 in one account, with the scale up feature, you can write the same $100 can be copied into 40, 50 accounts. That means you are with a simple trade, you are making $3,000, $4,000 for the day. You can stop trading. And that is the major advantage with prop firms, where you can connect to multiple accounts and you can take 1 or 2 simple trades. When the setup is strong, take the trade, and don't worry about doing over trading or doing lot of trades. Just make 1 or 2 trades, make your profit for the day, and you can focus on your regular job, right? Yeah, that's it, everyone. Where we discussed about the end-to-end process. In the next session, I'll explain how to set up the replicant software, right, which will help you to copy the trades from one system to other.